Make your affirmations up to 200% more powerful with this simple law of attraction biohack method. Hi everybody, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, oh yes, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. That's what this channel is all about. It's about your dreams, your goals, through the law of attraction and through the latest mind sciences. Now, I want to invite you, a special guest, a special gift, to visit miraclemindhypnosis.com. That's miraclemindhypnosis.com. It's absolutely free. I'm giving you a complete audio MP3 that's designed to increase your abundance, your love, your prosperity, and your happiness. There's nothing to buy. Just go there. Claim your copy. It's absolutely free. This offer won't last forever. We're doing it because we want to help as many people as possible and introduce you to the power of your subconscious mind changing your life. And that's really the key. Your subconscious mind has the power to change your life. You see, visualize the universe right here. Your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the universe. You don't connect with your conscious mind, you connect with your subconscious mind. And, well, many of you have been doing affirmations for some time now. And you've been using affirmations. And what are affirmations designed to do? They're designed to retrain, to reprogram your subconscious mind. Well, I'm going to give you a simple little biohack today that you can use to make your affirmations so much more powerful. I mean, more powerful than ever before. You know, a lot of people, what they do is they will write out a few affirmations, and then they'll sit there and go, I am a baby, I am a baby, I am, and they're doing it from their conscious mind. They're doing it from their conscious mind. And so when you're operating out of your conscious mind, it takes a lot longer, sometimes even years, to have an effect. But when you can go directly to your subconscious mind, and you can have up to 200% more effectiveness. Science teaches us that when the mind is relaxed, you don't have to be in a deep state of hypnosis, just relaxed. When the mind is relaxed, it's up to 200% more receptive to positive suggestions, which is what an affirmation really is. It's a self-suggestion. It's a positive suggestion about a change that you'd like to bring into your life, but you're going to claim it as if you've already experienced the change. Your subconscious mind really doesn't know the difference, and so it will begin to send out that signal, that vibe, to the infinite field of potential or the universe, and voila, you begin to attract miracles in your life. That's why we call it miracle mentoring. That's why we call it miracle hypnosis, because you begin to attract miracles into your life. At least they seem like miracles. If they're not miracles, they seem like miracles. Okay, here we go. I'm going to teach it to you. It's very simple. So you should always have your affirmations memorized. I mean, initially you might want to write them down on a 3x5 card, or you might want to put them on your iPhone or something like that. But you should have them memorized to do this. So we're going to use a simple affirmation. Just as an example, this is an example. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Okay? So what I would do is I'm going to breathe first. And I want you to breathe. It doesn't make any difference how you breathe initially. I want you to breathe in as deep as you can. And then empty your lungs. Fill your lungs up. Let them out. Do this for about 3 minutes. Just breathing as deeply as you possibly can. And then next, I want you to convert that breathing into the fourfold breath. And the fourfold breath is very simple. In through the nose. Hold it for 4 seconds. Out through the mouth. And remain empty for 4 seconds. I'd like you to continue the fourfold breath, until you feel that you've hit this kind of center peak, this center place where you're just kind of, you're aware of everything, but nothing's bothering you. You feel very relaxed. You're in a deeper state of consciousness. You've sunk into a deeper state of relaxation. You're more open and you're more receptive. Now, here's the next part of the biohack. I want you to take your eyeballs and I want you to try to look at your third eye with your eyes closed. It's kind of painful. So you would roll your eyes up, look at your third eye for at least, keep them up there for at least 30 seconds. And then as you relax them and let them loose, drop your head. And begin reciting your affirmations or affirmation. If you're only doing one, stick with it for 5-10 minutes, as long as you would like. You are in a much deeper state of consciousness. Now, at this state of consciousness, your affirmations can become up to 200 times more effective. I'll put the list on the beginning so you can go through it. But it's very, very simple and it's very, very easy and it's extremely effective. I've used it for years. I've taught it to a number of people. I taught it to a gentleman once in England who was using this technique, and within a very short period of time, maybe less than a month, he attracted a brand new car. It was it was amazing. And I asked him how he did it, and he said, well, I used the technique that you taught me. So then I started doing it, and I attracted a new car. Anyway, you can attract anything you desire. The sky's the limit. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.